Welcome to this cryptocurrency trading course, which is all about getting you started on your journey with trading cryptocurrencies. That's our aim first and foremost, getting you started with trading cryptocurrencies. And what better time to start than right now? So I've teamed up with Rebecca to bring you this course, and we'll be combining both our heads to bring you the most complete cryptocurrency trading course on the web. Rebecca has an extensive background with trading cryptocurrencies, so not just Bitcoin, but a whole host of others where there is a lot of opportunity as well. So that's the angle that Rebecca comes into this course with, the trading aspect. She'll be discussing key strategies that you can actually deploy for yourself and getting into all of the nitty-gritty when it comes to trading these types of assets. Then myself, for any of you who have already enrolled on one of my courses, you'll be aware that I'm a certified Bitcoin professional teaching a community of over 25,000 students. And my journey with this ecosystem started back in 2013, where I started out by teaching live classes on aspects within this ecosystem, which then led to the creation of these high quality, engaging and practical online classes. So that's who's going to be taking you through the course, myself and Rebecca. Now, before we move straight into this course within the next lecture, I just want to make sure that you're aware of how this course is structured. We've structured it in a way which is well paced for everyone to ensure that you feel fully comfortable by the end of this course to get started with trading for yourselves. Now, in the first section of this course, which is this section, I'm going to be delivering this, and it's basically going to be an introduction to this course. But more than that, I'm going to give you an introduction to the cryptocurrency ecosystem. So we're going to look at it in terms of a cryptocurrency crash course this section. We'll be discussing key things such as understanding specific cryptocurrency trading terms, where to find insider information on cryptocurrencies, why you should trade them, and so much more. So that's section 1. Now in section 2, this is where you'll get to hear from Rebecca, as she'll be taking you through this section. So what Rebecca will basically be going over are the differences when it comes to, let's call them the major market exchanges and the cryptocurrency markets. Now, if you're a little confused by the term major market exchanges, what I basically mean are markets such as the stock market and the forex markets. She'll also be highlighting the exchanges that we recommend that you use in this course. By the way, section 2 is real short and to the point. We'll then move on to section 3, which I'll be taking you through. And it's a really important section, hence why we wanted to have its own section in this course. It's all about security, because the last thing that we want is to get you up and trading, then you being caught off guard by hackers and so on. So in section 3, we'll be going over key points such as how to store your Bitcoins, and on top of that, areas such as trading mentality, which is really important. Section 4 is going to be delivered by Rebecca, and here's where we're going to actually get started with cryptocurrency trading. So what Rebecca will be doing with you in section 4 is going over the fundamentals of cryptocurrency trading. She'll be covering areas such as candlesticks, using price actions to chart trend lines, moving averages, chart patterns, and so much more. A really in-depth and exciting section. So that's section 4. With section 5, once again, Rebecca will be taking you through this. And here is where she'll be actually going through some live cryptocurrency trading examples with you. I mean, what better way to learn than actually seeing live trades being talked through with you? So basically the whole of section 5 will be talking you through live cryptocurrency trading examples. But we will also touch on other things here, such as creating a trading diary and so on. Then we'll move on to section 6, which is where I come back onto the scene to take you through it. And what I'll basically be doing here is highlighting an additional 2 strategies which are popular for investing. Of course, we won't be going into as much depth with these strategies as we did with the previous ones, simply because we don't use them as much. But we will touch on them in section 6 just to give you some variety over the other strategies that we've talked about in this course for trading cryptocurrencies. From there, we'll move on to section 7. Once again, I'll be taking you through that, but it's where I want to touch on initial coin offerings. Now, there are so many opportunities for huge returns on investments if you get involved with these, and the coined as well, of course. But there are many initial coin offerings out there that are complete garbage. So I'll be giving you a run through of initial coin offerings in section 7. Then in section 8, I'll simply be touching on the key points that we've gone over in this course and letting you jump straight into your journey with trading cryptocurrencies and generally just immersing yourself in this amazing ecosystem. I look forward to seeing you in the next lecture.